great climb, by the way. Okay. It's Diwali, it's the festival of lights. Everybody's been bursting crackers all day. It's one of the days where you can't sit inside your home peacefully, or you can't go outside anywhere without any sound near you. For me personally, every Diwali's been a mess, or something bad happens to me on that day. Years back, I was just bursting crackers in my terrace, and it's one of those moments where you keep the cracker on the top of the cracker box itself. Apparently, the whole cracker box bursted out, and our crackers came inside my home, and my TV was broken. It was a complete mess. Last before year Diwali is when I got chicken pox, and that Diwali went really bad. Finally, the last year Diwali, I really don't want to talk about it, but still, it was the most bad and detrimental Diwali of all time. And all these events started coming up in my mind, and I just didn't want to do anything today. All I did today was I got up, I went to the gym, I just came back, I sat in my bed calmly and peacefully doing nothing. No, I'm not gonna show you the regular thing that happens every Diwali night, and everyone goes to their terrace and sees it with their eyes itself. But what excites me more is I have never witnessed the post Diwali, or the next day morning, how the streets will look like after all the crackers have been bursted out. Without wasting any time, let's just jump right back to tomorrow morning. Hey guys, I'm not gonna lie, I was surprised looking at all those crackers down the road. To be honest, I was expecting a lot of waste on the road itself, but after roaming all around the community, it was a bit of mixed feelings, where I was happy that there was not a lot of crackers down the road. At the same time, I was expecting a lot of mess on the road. You know who is the most underrated people working every day? The cleaners on the road who is cleaning the roads itself. Seriously, it's a pain in the ass, and it's so hard to clean all these cracker remains. And when I was roaming around the streets, it was around 5:30 or 6 in the morning, and I was talking to a lady who cleans the roads every day. She told me that she had to finish a job, or she had to clean the area that is her before 7 o'clock or 7:30 in the morning, or before everyone wakes up and goes to their job. You know what's more sad? I can't even imagine how our morning schedule looks like. Imagine yourself waking up 4:30 in the morning and go start cleaning the roads. How your morning schedule will look like. And guys, these are the most underrated people on planet Earth, and we should all appreciate them, and we should all be grateful for their job, and to get up so early in the morning and start cleaning the roads before everyone goes to their job. What made me really felt bad was there was a lady cleaning up the streets itself, and there was a guy who was sitting inside the house, and he was drinking his morning coffee. It was his mistake to make a mess in front of his house by bursting crackers, and it was as if the cleaner's responsibility to clean the mess which is in front of his house. I don't know. He could have had some little bit compassion or understanding that he should clean up his mess that he had done the previous night. And not everyone, okay? I was really surprised because I saw a lot of people cleaning up, or piling up the garbage and keeping it aside to make it easy for the cleaners itself, while some of the people don't even have little bit of compassion and understanding that let me at least clean my place that is around me to make it easy for the workers and to not be a pain in the ass. At that moment, I really felt bad, and out of sympathy, I asked her, should I help her, or she needs any help or something like that. And you know what she replied? She told me that her boss would scold her if I did that or if I helped her at that moment. She just said that all she could do for me is allow me to shoot her. Boy, oh boy, I have so much respect for her doing her job to help other people's life or to make other person's lives a little bit better. These people deserve a lot more than what they get right now. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate you guys and I really thank you guys. If you have done your part, nice, nice coordination, brother. If you have done your part, and yeah, it's post Diwali, and let's all have a happy Sunday. Try to help people if you can, or try to clean up the mess at least around your house, and try to make it at least little bit better for the cleaners who is cleaning your streets every day. I just I was just shooting for thumbnail and I didn't know what to show my face or what should I do, bro.